I've been stuck on this song. Ooh, that talks about. It talks about. It says something like, "My eyes haven't seen you, Lord, but my heart knows you're here." It talks about. It says, "My eyes haven't seen you, but my heart knows that you're here." It says, "I know it's not a thing of my mind." And when I first came to Christ, I would doubt so much the voice of God inside of me, the voice of God inside of me. I would doubt so much His works in my life when clearly it was God. I would say, surely that's not God. I'd say, no, that's just coincidence. No, God needs to show up more apparent because that's clearly not God. And time again, He showed me He was there and here and there. And time again, I'd be like, my mind couldn't understand it. And today the Lord told me to tell you right now that blessed are those who haven't seen yet believed. Listen, doubting Thomas, it is God. This is real. This is real. God is real. Blessed are those who believe yet haven't seen. If you know it's real, right? If you believe this is real, give Him a shout of praise right now.
gotta get it out. I gotta praise. I gotta praise. I gotta praise, and I gotta get it out. I gotta praise.
Praise him.
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 What's his name?
Jesus.
What's his name?
Jesus.
Living on the valley.
Jesus.
The bright and morning star. Jesus.
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 Praise him.
I gotta praise. I gotta praise, and I gotta let it out. I gotta praise. I gotta praise. I gotta praise, and I gotta let it out. I gotta praise. Praise him.
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 What's his name?
Jesus.
What's his name?
Jesus.
Breaking chains.
Jesus.
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 I need somebody to grab the hand of somebody and dance with that somebody. Go ahead. Dance, 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 the Holy Ghost. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Shout. Shout. Make every demon come out with your shout. Heal every disease with your shout. Break every chain with your shout. Tell the devil who's boss with your shout. Tell your problem you ain't got me with your Say I'm an overcomer.
I'm an overcomer.
I'm a bloodline breaker. Hey. Say I'm a world changer. I'm a demon slayer. Hallelujah.
All that matters is that you laid it all at the altar. You laid your life down at the altar. Woo. Hallelujah. With the same heart of worship, if you wouldn't mind taking your seats, I want to invite up Brother Travis.
It's just like fire shut up in my bones. Thank you that you release your fire on us all, Lord. Can I tell you what we'll have after this? Thank you for revival. Thank you for revival, Lord, yeah. Pour out your spirit on all flesh. Woo! It's just like fire shut up in my bones. It's just like fire shut up in my bones, shut up in my bones.
And look like this very carefully, and then when you get to that spot, close your eyes and relax. Touch. Keep praying in the spirit. Keep praying. Watch her hair. Watch as the wind begins to blow. Watch. 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 He makes his angels winds and his ministers a flame of fire.